going on, guys? So
we're on our way to IKEA, the best place on earth. I talked Dakota into doing a little project to do a new coffee table, so we're gonna try to find that, and I'm sure I'll find some other stuff that we need.
no, you will not.
Yes, I will.
Just the coffee table.
Maybe a side table. We're gonna get a side table.
This is the new crib. Alright. What did we end up getting?
I got my side table.
Yes, we did. You guys like this sombrero? For the New Year's party? Oh. Are you okay? Got a little table, like for the living room. And basically we just put it together, and then we're gonna paint it from this color to metallic. We'll see how it goes.
So we're painting away. So we got those painted. They're drying. Silver. Now we're gonna put marble. This one goes on the bottom. So now we're gonna cover this with marble contact paper. I purchased this at Lowe's.
And then this is gonna go in the bottom of this table. And then we have glass to go on top.
Just covering the edges so that there's no black at all. We're gonna do that all the way around.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a finished product. We put the glass back on and the marble. We did have a line. Oh no, I can't even find it. Right here. Since we had to use 2 pieces of paper, but you don't really see it when it's far away. So that's the coffee table. And then this is the side table. We just left it glass. So that is what everything looks like together. The cat toy. And I have a lot of other copper stuff in our house, so it turned out great. Okay guys, so if you liked that video, we're gonna be moving soon and probably doing a lot more projects like that.
So if you like the video, like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys.